Good evening, guys, ka-idol. Ayan. Kain po tayo ng santol with matching spicy soy sauce. Ayan po. Ayan. Sarap nito. I don't know what time is it. 7:45 already. Yan mga ka-idol. Tikman na po natin itong masarap na santol. For me, masarap siya. It's either maasim or matamis. Let's give it a try. Try na po natin. Sarap nito with spicy soy sauce mga ka-idol. Tara, let's try it. Thank you for watching. Bye.